Beautiful day here in Michigan after some thunderstorms this morning. Just removed my turbo. It was actually decently easy-ish. You got 1, 2, and 3 of the bolts that holds the pedestal on. You got to remove this up pipe off the pedestal, and the other one I took out because I needed the down pipe out. I've replaced this Y bridge, which I'm going to take this off and inspect it, make sure it was all good. I'm going to clean up in there because there's some antifreeze from all that. A little bit of gunk down there. I'm going to clean that all out completely. So the other day I was driving and my truck went but louder, and so just took this out. First thing I saw when I took this apart was all that chewed up. So I don't know if that happened during the ping. It's nice and broken, and all these snapped off. I hit it with a screwdriver and hammer to see if I could pop those through, but I don't know. It's I mean, look at this. So I had a problem also. This is stripped. Pretty good, I guess. There was a bolt that was missing, and I started having some really loud noises. Burnt up this gasket completely. So yeah, looks like I'm about to drop some cash on some turbo. Wonder if I can just get the pedestal. I bet I could just get the pedestal and maybe put a bigger wheel in that. Well, at least I got it out.